Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Toyota Tacoma PreRunner V6. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and power windows.